Discovery Bay was established in the early 1970s as a mostly weekend and summer resort community. Today, Discovery Bay has evolved into a thriving year-round home for over 17,000 residents who enjoy small-town living against the backdrop of over 1,200 miles of Delta Waterway. Discovery Bay is centrally located in East Contra Costa County, 1 hour plus from San Francisco, and Napa Valley, 3 hours to Lake Tahoe. Currently boasting a full-service marina, 3 public schools and 1 private school, 2 shopping centers and a business park, Discovery Bay now has the infrastructure needed to support residents within their own community as well as serve those who travel to the area to enjoy the splendor of the Delta. Boaters can navigate from Discovery Bay to the San Francisco Bay or Cabo San Lucas, enabling residents to literally go anywhere in the world from their very own boat slip. Whether you enjoy fishing, water skiing, wakeboarding, or simply exploring the California Delta, there is no shortage of things to do here. Discovery Bay enjoys a wonderful spectrum of seasonal climates, including everything from warm summers to rainy winters. Discovery Bay is no longer limited to simply Delta waterfront homes. It has developed into a community that provides something for everyone. Discovery Bay offers gated lakefront homes as well as country club homes located on a world-class golf course. Recent additions include the 2 gated communities of Lakeshore and the Lakes. Live where you play in Discovery Bay. I am a local resident since 2004 and specialize in these types of waterfront homes. If you are interested in buying or selling real estate in the Discovery Bay area, make the call to Mary Carpenter at 925-383-1694 or visit my website at marycarpentersellshomes.com.